Today we are going to look at completing the squares using the H and K formula. And then we can just double check it using the box, the square, completing the square box to see if, just to check back the answer. Okay, now completing the squares. Usually the question for completing in squares for the Caribbean, usually written like this: write this quadratic in the form, and it tells you how they want the answer to eventually be. So it should be in this form: x plus h, all in brackets, squared, plus k. So the first thing you need to do is to look at the quadratic expression given, and you're going to write down the values of the a, which is the coefficient of x squared, the value of b, which is the coefficient of x, and c, which is a constant. So as you know already, whenever you don't see a number, it means that there's an invisible one there. So a value is 1. B's value is 6. And C value is 10. Okay, we need the values of A, B, and C because the K and H formula has the letters A, B, and C in it. So we just simply substitute. So for H, we're going to put the B value. B value is 6 over 2 times 1. 6 over 2, or the answer is 3. Okay. Now for the K, since we substitute. So it's 4 times A, which is 1, times C, which is 10, minus B's value is 6, and that's squared, all over 4 times 1. Okay. All right. Now we do the calculation. 4 times 1 is 4, times 10 is 40, minus 6 times 6 is 36, over 4 times 1 is 4. When we subtract the 36 from 40, the answer would be 4. So 4 over 4 is equal to 1. So the final answer, writing it in the form x plus h, all squared, plus k, is written like this. We have x, h is 3, all squared, and we're going to put a plus 1. We put plus 3 because 3 is positive. We put plus 1 because 1 is positive in the k. So we wrote it in this format: x plus h, all squared, plus k. Now let's check it back using the squares. So the completing the squares, we'll say that this box is x squared because the length is x here, length is x here, so the area of this box would be x squared. Okay, now in the formula, it says, the quadratic expression, it says x squared plus 6x plus 10. Half of 6 is 3. So here will be 3 and here will be 3. Why I said that? Because this is supposed to be a square. Both sides should be equal. So this is x plus a 3 and x plus a 3. And so half of 6x would be 3x when we are finding the area of this little box here, because if here to here is x, then here to here is x. So x times 3 gives us 3x, and here is also 3x. The final box now is 9, which is the square of 3. So if here is 3, then here is 3. If here is 3, then here is also 3. according to the properties of the rectangle. Right here is a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So now, so this box would be 3 times 3, the area of it would be 9. So we can say x squared, x plus 3x, and then we have plus 9. But the original formula says this, plus 10. So what's the difference between positive 9 and positive 10? The difference is 1. So the final answer would be x plus 3 all squared plus 1, which is similar to the answer up here. X plus 3 all squared plus 1. There we go. So this would be x plus 3 all squared plus 1, which is the difference between the 9 and the 10. All right, that's it.